In this problem, we'll look at navigation. Capital Rapids drops 54 feet vertically over a horizontal distance of 1,080 feet. What is the slope of the rapids? Now, you might want to draw a picture. You have some rapids. They're dropping. They drop 54 feet over a horizontal distance of 1,080 feet. The slope of the rapids, we can think of slope as rise over run. Now in this case, rise is actually a fall. It's a drop, so we're going to use a negative number. So the slope would be the rise, which would be negative 54 feet, over the run, which would be 1,080 feet. The rise over the run would then be the slope. And to simplify this, we could do some work and find out that 54 is a factor of 1,080. In fact, 54 times 20 equals 1,080. So this simplifies to negative 1/20. And that is the slope of the rapids.